Here we go. Here's all the parts sorted up. Here's all the parts that were together, so in the box. There's the blue, green, red. It's supposed to be like emblems, or this is supposed to be dark stuff. Here's day 2. I've got built some more stuff that I'll put away for today. The bins are going down definitely. Yeah, it was a little small, but yeah, they're decent. I have red over here. And then here's red I brought out on a tray. Yeah, that's day 2. Here's day 3. All the puzzle, there's some built, folders built. Yeah, that's day 3. Here's day 5 of working on the puzzle. Got the signage starting. Here's the progress for day 5 and 6. We've got the full sign, the track, a dog, more stuff, sign, the welcome area, where's the girl, sign, still working. Yep, that was days 5 and 6. Here's the finished day. The puzzle's finally finished. Got chicken stuff, people. A flag, a truck, main track. All done. Thanks for watching.